it's Candicia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this eyeshadow look. It's just very girly, it's very pink, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. I know Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I know maybe some of you guys might be going out on dates or on Valentine's Day with your girls or whatever you guys plan on doing. If you guys want to create a makeup look, I thought this would be really fun for you guys to try. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, make sure you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe. I mean, we have a lot of fun on this channel, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, which is down below, the big red button. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with a crease color, and I think I'm going to go into my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette because that's just absolutely my favorite. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm actually going to be going into my crease color first, which is going to be this color right here, which is Raw Sienna. I'm just going to blend that into my crease, and I'm going to start that as my transitional shade. I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetics, it's like a fluffy crease brush. I'm just going to be dipping into that color, and I'm just going to be putting that in my crease area. Okay, so that is our transitional shade. So I think I'm going to work on the crease first, and then I'll move my way to my lid. So I'm actually going to deepen up my crease. I'm going to be going into the Naked palette by Urban Decay, and this is just their basics palette. So I'm going to just be going into this shade right here, and then this shade to deepen it up. But first I'm going to start out with this on the outer edge, and then I'm going to also follow up with this, just a tiny bit in the outer edge as well. Because I want a little bit more precision in my crease, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics. It's a slanted crease brush, and I'm just going to be dipping into my brown shade first, and then I'm going to go into, it's brown, but it's closer to black. So I'm just going to be going into those two colors, and I'm going to deepen up my crease. I'm just looking into my mirror here because I don't want to mess up. Then I'm going into that black color. First I'm just going to splotch it on because I don't want to put too much in there. So because I just placed those colors there, I'm going to just be taking that same fluffy crease brush that I used for my transitional shade, and I'm just going to buff those two colors out. Now, if you ever get into a situation where you put a little bit too much color on one side compared to the other, all you need to do is just take a clean brush. For me, I took like a clean Sony Kashuk blending brush, well, blending crease brush, and then you just go over that shadow where you put a little bit too much and just keep blending. Because it's clean, it picks up the color and it mutes it out pretty nicely. So now that we're done with the crease, I'm going to go in with my lid color. I'm actually going to be doing two colors, and I first am going to be taking this color right here, and I think it's called Bueno Fresco. Who even knows? But guys, it's this color right in here. So I'm just going to be taking this color. I'm just going to be packing that onto the outer third of my eyelid, and then I'm going to go in with another color. So because I'm going to be using multiple colors, I'm just going to be using this small shadow brush because I don't want this color to be the main focus of my eye, so I just want a tiny bit at a time. So I'm just going to be taking that beautiful lilac sort of pink color, and I'm just going to be packing that onto my lid. So now I'm actually going to go back in and do some blending. So I'm going to take that same crease brush that we used for our transition shade, and I'm just going to go back over that purple color and just blend it into the darker crease colors that I have. So for the next color, I definitely want it to be vibrant. So I'm going to take my Fix Plus, and I'm actually going to be taking a Real Technique shadow brush. I'm just going to be spraying that with some Fix Plus because I definitely want this color to be very shimmery, very bright. So this is a single shadow from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's called Ballet. It's a very, very pretty pink shade, so I'm just going to take that and I'm going to put it on my entire lid. Now, the reason why I went in with that purple color is because I just wanted to mute this out. I didn't want it to just be pink, but you know, just to add a little bit more dimension and stuff to the look. So I'm just going to be taking some of that shadow. I'm just going to be patting that on my lid. Okay, so this is extremely pink and extremely girly, but it's really, really cute. For the inner highlight, I'm going to go back into the Modern Renaissance palette, and I think I'm going to go with this shimmer shade, which is right in here. I think I'm going to go with that for my inner highlight. I'm also using a small detailing brush from BH Cosmetics, and this is their Studio Pro line, by the way. So just running that along. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my mascara and my eyeliner. So first I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl Professional Remarkable mascara. This is not new to the market, but it is new to me. I haven't really used CoverGirl before, so I figured, you know, I might as well try it. So I'm gonna just be curling my lashes, and then I'm going to put on my mascara, and I'll be right back. Next, I'm going to be taking the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm just going to be using that to create a wing liner. So my wing liner is done. Now I'm just going to be taking some false lashes. I know it was a suggestion in my last makeup video to try some lashes. So I'm going to be using the Demi Wispies, which I think is by Ardell Beauty, if I'm not mistaken. Mine look kind of janky because I've used these before and I did not clean them the last time that I used it, but I'm just gonna be putting those on my lashes. Now, I'm not the best person to put on lashes, so unfortunately I won't be showing you guys how to put on lashes because I don't really know how to do it myself. Like, I only did it once in my life, so I will be right back with my lashes. So guys, this is with the lashes on. This is again the Ardell Demi Wispies. These are the lashes, and this is the final look. I actually have ColourPop on my lips. It's Tuli, which is their liquid lipstick, and then I also have their liner in BFF3, I believe. If it's not the correct names, or I didn't mention any of the shadow names and you guys really do want it, then I will post it in my description box below. So just click on that box and you guys will be able to see all the details of what I used on my face. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Also comment down below if you guys did like this look. And I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys!